Ngayong linggong ito, ating tunghayan kung ano ang sinasabi ng inyong mga gabay. I am a light. I always have hope no matter the ordeal. I have faith in a better future. I turn darkness into light. I open my heart to others and to God, and I'm spiritually strong. I draw light to me and shine with all my being. Yan ang para sa week na ito. June 8. Universe. The universe is guiding you towards that special someone. Just let everything take on its course. Para yan sa June 8. June 9. Emotion. Look into the depths of your emotions. June 10. Clarity. Take a moment to think about your situation to figure it out. June 11. Accept. Be prepared to accept what fate has in store for you. June 12. Connection. Your connection is eternal and unbreakable. June 13. Admiration. It's time to think about everything you appreciate in your partner. June 14. Moment. Think of a special moment that brought you and your partner a lot of joy. June 15. Some things are best let go and let the universe work it out in its divine time. Kung kayo ay naka-align at nag-resonate ang dates ng aking binasang card sa inyo, huwag kayong mag-hesitate na pumunta sa One Filipinos page at i-message niyo ang inyong mga katanungan sa akin